The best of the Italian and the best of the German. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video on the M1000. I know, I've been riding it a lot. I like it. I just recently got the E85 tune, so I'm enjoying it, you know? But yeah, we took it today because we're actually doing a little shoot. Invited a couple of my friends. We got the V4R and the R1. This is currently like my most complete bike, you know, the most custom and complete. The V4R is not complete. The H2, I've already had like too many shoots with it, even though probably would have done the best. The Fireblade, I already got like shots with it when I hosted that event. What's left? The Aprilia isn't like, you know, I'm not gonna lie, it's the Aprilia and the R1 are kind of like my least favorite to ride right now. They're just like, they're cool and all, and they're different and they sound the best, but there's, I don't know, it's something about them like doesn't make me want to like, ooh, you know, like the M1000, the V4R, the H2, the Fireblade. I feel like they're more special for whatever reason. Also could be the fact that, like, you know, the Fireblade and this one are my newest ones, so that could be why that I've been wanting to ride these two bikes mainly. And as you guys know, the H2 and the V4R are my favorite bikes, therefore these two bikes will always be like, you know, my favorite to ride and go to. But we're waiting on some special parts for the V4R, so that when it's complete, I'll finally shoot with it and get content with it. The H2 is complete. I just have a lot of shots with it, but this bike I actually have like almost no professional, like, you know, pictures or shots are high quality. So this is why we took it. The only thing is that we need to go find an E85 station and get some gas, because I don't have no gas in this bike. And that's another thing about E85. It has like very certain specific stations I can fill up at. I have 3 bars, so we can make it somewhere. I hope so. How's it going?
Hey, how about you?
Not bad, not bad. No.
Alright, thinking for like a route?
I definitely need to go that way, because this bike has E85 now. And there's only certain stations that have E85, so we're gonna go there to that station so I can fill up, and from there we can find some route, because it's kind of nice around there.
Okay.
Yeah, just gotta figure out where that station is and all. All right, let me figure out where that gas station is, so I can get some gas. As we took off, the gas light came on and I had 2 bars, so I was like going really slow. We should be good now. We're not too far, hopefully, at least. But yeah, I guess that's the reason why E85 could be annoying sometimes. It's my first time and, you know, I'm struggling. I don't know, I guess if you're debating doing E85 or not, it's really up to you, because if you're willing to sacrifice like about a third of your mileage then sure, go ahead. If you have an E85 gas station like very close to you, then definitely do it, because it's definitely worth it. You definitely feel the extra power, and I think it's cheaper too to fill up. This is gonna be my first time filling up with the E85. Yesterday I filled up with the R1M. I filled up the R1M, and I think it ended up being yeah, it was like $27, but on average it's usually like $25. So we'll see how much E85 is, and we'll also check when I get there, when I have 1 bar left, how much true mileage it took. I remember with a full tank we had 405, so we'll check the, well, the mileage was like 405 is what I was trying to say. So we'll check the mileage when we get to the gas station. Imagine having to drive like 30 minutes just to get gas every time. Nope, not happening. More like 20. I'm a little over exaggerating, but it's like, you know, it's not right off a freeway. It's like deep in somewhere. But yeah, I'm just gonna buy me like the 5-gallon like fuel jug and just fill it with 85 and keep one in the garage, or maybe 2 even, so I don't have to like come here that often. But also, when I do ride this bike, we can make it a ride to ride like to one of the stations, since it's already, you know, a decent ride. It's actually pretty over here. It's way colder than I expected. Yeah, I think this one also has E85, because it said online that there's 2 stations that have E85. Oh, we just hit 1 bar too. That's interesting. There's literally 1 pump that has it. Huh?
Going tandem back here is so sad.
Oh, that's clean. I was trying to get him to, like, you know, I go and he goes. That's what I was trying to get him to do. Because this is like the best BMW and that's the best Ducati, so it's nice seeing them together. Bro, this was a mission. Imagine having to do all of this every time I fill up. Yeah, that's annoying. Oh, but look at the gas price. There you go, there's the difference. It's pretty much almost half the price. Ooh, smells like candy. Wait, what? There we go. Oh yeah, this is definitely full. It's just hard to believe that only took...
It's only $3.69.
I know, $11 to fill up, just like the good old days.
You know what you should do? You should do a little test around on how many miles you could actually make it on the 85 just riding.
I did.
Riding around normally.
Oh yeah, not normally.
How far did it go?
I was just about to check. So I checked my mileage right when I filled it up, and it had 405. So.
Filled it up yesterday?
Yeah, when it was full.
405 miles.
No. It had, my mileage was 405.
400 and 1,000.
No, 1,405.
That's not bad.
71.
Miles? 64 miles.
Yeah.
That's not bad. On $3.59 a gallon too, when you think about it.
Yeah, like 65.
I think there's it's still dog shit. You gotta find a closer. Just the way over here was long. No, there's closer ones to his house. We just have to go discover where they're at.
There isn't. I checked the E85 website.
Really? Feels so good though.
I know. Candy. Now I feel so much better. I was so stressed because I didn't know how as soon as we left, I lost a bar. So I only had 2 bars. And I was like, I don't know how long this is supposed to last, because it's calculating with the regular gas 20 miles. 20? Yeah, with regular gas with the 2 bars when the light came on. So the road here was 14 miles. So on E85 I figured, you know, but I just got to 1 bar like right here.
That's not bad. So you made a pretty good amount. So
yeah, I mean, look.
It's pretty accurate though. The tune is self-learning. It's probably learning what kind of feels in it anyway. It's on 85. I don't think the tune will learn how your gas, does it?
No.
The gas is the same though, because the flow is the same.
Yeah.
So more than the miles.
That's what I'm saying. The bar is good. The miles were off. Yeah, but 3.2 gallons. So I had a good amount left too, because I think the tank should be 4, if I'm not wrong. All right, now I can ride more comfortably. I was so worried. I was trying to keep it in high gear and everything. It's my first time trying E85.
Is it a E85 like only like 2?
Yeah. So I can't do anything. It's pure E85. We should do the exact same thing, but on this side, like with this in the back. I thought that was from yesterday, all the rock chips. Yeah, that's a fire shot. The best of the Italian and the best of the German. Yeah, these two look fire. I have no idea how, but GoPro died. No idea how. It was fully charged. We literally filmed, as you guys saw, like 20 minutes, if even. Alright, it just died again for absolutely no reason. I'm sorry, I don't know what happened, but I'll make sure to put, you know, the shots from today's shoot or some of the videos over there. So I'll just end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace on the right side.